Smart rapper, gang. I mean, how great does it feel to finish a song? If you finish any songs, how accomplished do you feel? Then when you record the verse and the ad-libs and the voiceovers and it's done, that feels amazing. But when you finish a song, that feels crazy amazing, right? What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today we're talking about the reason why you barely ever finish songs. Like that psychological mind block of why you'll start a song, but you won't finish it. And I'm gonna go through why you start it and exactly why you don't finish it and how you can get over finishing it and actually complete songs so you can excel in your music career. We're gonna talk about that today. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper, because you're gonna get smarter, and we're gonna talk about that stuff today, right after the intro.
I do this full time, bitch. I do this full time. Every day, day. Stay up on my grind, bitch. All day, day. Stay up on my grind. I do this full time, bitch.
In my experience, and probably in yours too, your favorite part about making a song is, one, the initial creation of a song, when you start making the song and you're creating the melodies and the rhythms, and maybe you're freestyling to the song. If you are already aware that that's usually how you start to create a song, right? So that's that fun creative process. And my second favorite part of working on a song is finishing the song and having it done. Right? Like those are the two best parts of a song, is like the fun in the beginning and then the finishing of the song. Now, the parts that suck are recording the song, more so first though, is writing the lyrics, then rewriting the lyrics, then figuring out if it's the right lyrics, the right rhythms, the right melodies, choosing the right bridge, choosing the right pre-chorus. You know what I'm saying? If you actually know to do this stuff, this is like really how you write songs. And that takes time and effort, as well as delivering the lyrics with the right tone, the right energy, getting it down, getting the take down the right way, because you were really vibing when you record it. That's the hard part. That's the bulk. That's the most difficult part, because it's not just that free flow creative part. It's that part where you're actually rewriting and actually having to put that work in, that drudge work in, to get the song finished. Not saying that that's not fun as well, or that it can't be fun, because it is fun as you progress on a song and you get it finished. I love that feeling as well. But that's the harder part. Am I right? Is that how you feel when you make a song and you're like, this is finishing it? It's like, I'd rather start on another song. Now, some people don't have this issue, or they don't think that they have this issue because they just create a song and they release it. But this is why that person has subpar lyrics, really weak flows, really weak deliveries, and the song just doesn't sound that good overall, or it's just not as good as it really could be. Even if they have all of their style polished, they're missing so much because they don't sit there and rewrite songs. There's I watched like a 30-minute episode of, when Leroy Cohen was running a 300, and he had Young Thug in there. He's like not screaming, but in a fatherly way, being like, Thug, you need to actually start rewriting these songs. Do you want to be where Kanye is on the Billboard? Rewrite your songs. And he's like, nah, I don't want to. Because he'll just go in there and he'll freestyle the songs and just keep the parts that he likes. Because he's bringing enough songs, he can do that. I can do that too, right? But the song's not going to be as good as it could be, right? You want a great song that's going to blow up for you, get your name seen and heard, and gain you fans, right? You just don't want to create subpar stuff. So today I'm going to try to help you figure out why and how you can get these songs finished. Really, and this is in my personal experience of writing a lot of songs, and the same reason why I have all of these songs on my desktop. A lot of them are finished, but a lot more of them should be finished, right? So I still experience this, but at least I can assess, I can look at, okay, why are these not finished? It's because if it's not as important to you, if you're like, nah, I already have all these other great songs, I'm not really gonna finish this. Or if, you're like, well, do I really need to work on that right now? It's the overthinking part of it, right? You're overthinking, like, well, I'm gonna have to go and write melodies for this. I'm gonna have to go and write, redo this, re-record this, but I already got these ones over here. I'm pretty good. Like right now, I have my next 18 singles done. 18 singles. I'm releasing a song a month. That's what I've been gearing up towards, right? Like a new song every fucking month, right? I have those. I don't have to finish these other ones, but I still try to go back to them and get them done. Because like I told you guys, the more songs you have backed up, the less you're gonna have to worry about when you get really, really busy. And I'm already really, really busy. You know what I'm saying? It's work. That's what it is, right? It's work. And if you feel like you have to convince yourself that you really want to finish the song, and you need to finish these songs. It's not complicated. It's just about dedicating the time to it. It's just about going in and actually working on the songs. In order to get those first 18 singles done, I had to do that over and over and over and over and over and over again. I'm not talking about an album where it's just like, here's 18 songs. No, I'm talking about 18 singles, like 18 songs. Like one of these gotta blow up. You know what I'm saying? Not just like an album with just a randomness. It's like, these are singles. These are fire songs, and one of these has got to go. And you need to kind of be doing the same thing. But that's not gonna happen unless you're making the songs, creating the songs, and really putting the work in to get them finished. You can't release a song that's not finished, and you shouldn't release a song that's not like the best that you could possibly do. Okay, you need to go in and you need to rewrite, and you need to go in and you need to come up with better melodies. If it's really not, if you feel I could do better. I remember times where I'd be like, I'm just gonna leave this the way it is. Don't do that. Don't do that. Like, why would you do that to yourself? You've already made so much of the song. Just finish it. Just finish it. Don't overthink the process. Realize it's going to take work. It takes work for everybody. It's not just you. Write it, rewrite it, record it. Finish the song. Finish a song, one song at a time. Think about it like this. I think a great way to go about this is this, okay? And it's not really gonna burn you out on songs. If you spend 3 hours a day, and you can find 3 hours a day, that's only 12% of your day, okay? If you could find 3 hours in a day, even 2, but I would say 3 would be great, 3 hours to dedicate towards working on a song, are you telling me you're not gonna finish that song, including writing, rewriting, and recording? You're not gonna finish that song in 3 or 4 days? Okay, that means you can finish at least one song a week. And I'm talking about finished, completed, ready to send out for mixing and mastering. Okay, that's one song a week. That's 52 songs a year. 52 songs. Do you even have 52 songs finished? Think about this. You only need to think about completing one song a week. Don't overwhelm yourself with all this other stuff. Just think, okay, all I gotta do is finish this song. And when I finish this song, then I'll move to the next song. But don't worry about any other songs until you have that song finished. A song a week? That's a lot. That's 52 songs a year. And it's not even hard. We're talking about just 3 hours a day, 12% of your day, my friend. I mean, how great does it feel to finish a song? If you finish any songs, how accomplished do you feel? It's like finishing 5 workouts at the gym combined when you finish a song. Isn't it? Even when you record a verse, even when you write a verse and you finish writing a verse, that feels amazing. Then when you record the verse and the ad-libs and the voiceovers and it's done, that feels amazing. But when you finish a song, that feels crazy amazing, right? I want you guys to reach for that feeling every week. If you get that feeling every week, do you know how accomplished you're gonna feel as an artist? You know, every week you're gonna look back like last week I finished a song, this week I finished a song. And then if you make it a habit, I finish a song every week for the last 6 weeks. How does that sound? Imagine you saying that. 6 new songs, just a song a week, man. Come on, man. One song a week, 3 hours a day for 3 or 4 days. You can't do that? Stop playing fucking video games. You tell me you can't do that? You can easily finish songs, okay? Look, this whole video is, the reason we don't finish songs is because we overthink the process. We're thinking about the next song. We're thinking about how much work it is to finish this song. It's really not that much work. You just need to start on it, okay? And a fantastic tip I'd like to give people for anything is just do it for 5 minutes. You're not gonna feel like doing a lot. You're not gonna feel like starting all the time. But if you just start working on it for 5 minutes, and you tell yourself, if I'm gonna start on this for 5 minutes, and if I don't feel like continuing after 5 minutes, I'll stop. But you know what the mind hack is once you start on it for 5 minutes, the hardest part is overcoming that barrier, that hurdle of just starting. Because you're like, I don't feel like doing it. I'd rather go like get some coffee or something, you know? But once you just start, you're like, you realize and you already know, this isn't really that complicated. I'll keep going. But if you don't feel like doing it after 5 minutes, then stop. That's fine. But make a rule for yourself. You could do this for anything in life. If you feel like going to the gym, you spend 5 minutes. I'm gonna go to the gym for 5 minutes. You know, and if I don't really feel like working after 5 minutes, you know, do you really think you're gonna leave the gym after 5 minutes? Do you really think you're gonna stop doing anything after you really start doing it for 5 minutes? Because you're already involved in doing it. It's the hurdle. This is the mind hack that jumps over the hurdle of starting. Okay? Fantastic life hack. So glad that I learned this a couple years ago. Just do it for 5 minutes, okay? Don't overthink it. Finish one song at a time. Spend 2 or 3 hours a day, a couple days a week, and finish one song. Even if it's not the best song in the world, it doesn't matter. The more songs you complete, the more practice you put in, the better you're gonna be. Your next song's gonna be better. Then your next song's gonna be better. You're gonna learn, you're gonna learn, you're gonna grow, you're gonna grow, you're gonna learn. You're gonna develop. You're gonna gain fans, you're gonna be able to start gaining fans. But you can't do it if you're overthinking, okay? So just finish the song. That's why you weren't finishing the songs. You're overthinking it. I know, I do it too sometimes, okay? All right, I'm Rob Level, this Smart Rapper. Y'all know what time it is.
I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid.
Today's word of the day is repost. And I don't mean a Instagram repost or Twitter repost. I mean a retaliatory measure or maneuver. Kind of like how Pusha T dissed Drake and then Drake reposted on his ass. And today's quote of the day is appearances. Appearances are a glimpse of the unseen. And that's by, how do you say this name right here? Anaxagoras. All right, guys and girls, I have the Smart Rapper community coming, and it's gonna be insane, absolutely crazy. You're gonna get so much value. Everybody who joins initially is gonna be able to help us grow, because we're gonna be, you know, figuring out, okay, what's better here? What can we do this? What should this be over here? How can we change this? What can we do over here? You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna keep growing it and growing. It's gonna be the go-to place for all rappers. I don't give a fuck. Every fucking rapper is going to need to be and want to be a part of this, all right? And we're about to get that going. I've been building this for about 2 years. I've spent a lot of money putting this together. I spent a lot of resources, a lot of time and energy putting this together. You guys are gonna love it, so be on the lookout for the community. You guys are gonna be able to get, I have like almost 20 courses. I have A&R contact list. I have rap voice guides. I have how to flow courses. I have how to write lyrics courses. I have songwriting and chorus courses. I have all these courses. All these courses are inside of the community, and it's so well set up. It is going to be the best, one of the best things that you ever do for your music career, as well as you'll be able to collaborate with me. There's gonna be opportunities for that. I'm gonna be able to start signing people within 12 months. There's a lot going on, okay? Just stay tuned for that stuff, okay? I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling, keep grinding. Give me the like, give me the comment, and hope you learned that new word today, all right? I appreciate y'all. Let's keep going. You need to get out there, write some songs, finish some songs, kick some ass. See y'all tomorrow.
Smart Rapper Gang.